My name's Andy Jasper, I'm the Programme Director here at RHS Wisley, and I'm here to give you an exclusive tour of first view of the new Welcome Building here at Wisley. Here we are standing in the arrivals area. This is where you would get your membership ticket scanned and you'll be able to walk into the garden from this point here. This is where we say, welcome to Wisley. So this is one of my favourite areas as well, the Wisley Cafe. This is a real improvement on what we have had for the last, well, I guess 50 years, where we've had 20 seats in our cafe. This one is 100 seats inside and 100 seats outside, and it's a great place to get a real taste of Wisley. So we're here in the terrace restaurant, really in the centre of the Wisley experience. So this terrace restaurant has 100 seats inside and 60 seats outside. I think this place is going to be incredibly popular. So imagine you've just had a wonderful visit in the gardens and you're walking out through these doors into the new retail experience. So I've got Tom here, who's the head of retail, who's going to show us around.
So welcome to our book department, where we have gardening titles and also non-fiction titles for everyone and anyone. We have a lot of our RHS titles and also plant-specific books which focus on certain plants that we have in the garden. And also we have a great selection of children's gardening books too.
So Tom, where are we right now?
So we're in our new outdoor living section. So this used to be something that we did on a sort of small scale, but now we have a whole department dedicated to outdoor living. So we have a lot of items here, particularly for summer, to dress your garden and make it into a more beautiful space, not just with plants. So we also focus on our new RHS exclusive ranges.
I wonder what this was.
Which is the Knot Garden. So this is all focusing on sort of outdoor dining with lanterns, plant pots, picnic rugs and cushions as well.
Gosh, there's an amazing array of trowels. What's going on here?
So Andy, this is our new tool shed, rather appropriately. So this area is devoted entirely to demonstrations, workshops and book signings. So we developed a programme of events throughout the year, which will focus on gardening, gardening for children, floristry and also food tastings. We'll also be using this area to sort of hero some of our newest products as well.
We've never actually had a space like this before. This is fantastic.
No, so we're very excited about it and we're looking forward to welcoming people here.
So what have we got here, Tom?
So Andy, this is a watering can from our exclusive Beetles range, which is a really fun collection of products for children and for adult gardeners alike. But also we have our new exclusive range of RHS pots, which are designed from some of the flowers that feature in some of the gardens at all of the RHS gardens. So now we're in our new glass house, which is our area dedicated to indoor plants. They've become very popular in the last couple of years, so it's a nice place that we have that's light, bright and airy to showcase all of these beautiful plants.
I think this is going to be such a popular area.
Oh, it will, definitely.
I think one of the great things as well, the thing I really love, is that the member advice service is right here in the centre of the plant centre. It's such a good member benefit.
Absolutely, and I think it's going to become a real sort of horticultural knowledge hub as well as a retail space.
So I've been really looking forward to this in the outside plant centre. So tell us all about this place.
So this plant centre is full of approximately 20,000 plants from a selection of herbaceous perennials to shrubs, alpines. Also we have a lot of herbs and grow your own plants, but it's a great selection of plants focusing on British nurseries. So we're really heroing growers from across the UK, many of them which are local to Wisley. And also there's a connection to the garden with the plants that we have here. Plants that people may have seen in the garden, they'll be able to buy them and take them home, which I think is a really great thing that we're able to offer our customers here at Wisley.
So look, come to the Welcome Building, support the RHS as a charity. Every penny that you spend here in any of the retail or in the plant centre or in the cafe or even in the restaurant, all goes to support all the work that we do as a charity. Greening Great Britain.